Hello everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. If you are here for the first time, my name is Tasha and I am documenting my family of five's journey to financial freedom while building generational wealth. And I want to say thank you to all the legacy builders, my fellow legacy builders who are here watching this video. And it's going to be a good one because I am updating my savings tracker for my emergency fund and our savings challenges for the month of November. So we'll jump right into it. In November, we started our emergency fund balance at $9,587. We made deposits totaling $863. That does not include interest earned in November because I'm closing this out on November 27th, okay? So we don't know what the interest is yet. I will include that in December. And we didn't spend anything, so that's zero. And we ended with $10,450. And let me get my calculator so you guys can see. I always feel like I say that word so wrong. 9,587 plus 863, $10,450. All right, I'm just gonna pop that right there, and I'll write in the total ending balance, again not including any interest that we earned because this is in a savings account. Okay, so this means we hit a milestone. Now I know we haven't finished the year yet, but we started in January with $5,095.79, and now we're at $10,450. If I just subtract that really quick to see how much progress we made throughout the year, we have deposited a total of $5,354 into our emergency fund so far for the year. But remember, for the first 2.5 quarters of the year, we were paying off debt aggressively. So I think that's pretty good on a modest income. So let's move on to the next page. Okay, so this is our tracker, and this jar I purchased from Megan at her Courage to Plan. I'm gonna move my, oops. I knocked over my little aesthetic or core, decor, whatever you want to call it, and I turned off my ring light. I think that's where we were. All right, so what I'm going to do is shade in. So we stopped at just below the 9,600, and we can shade all the way up to 10,450. So we're going to go just under this dotted line here. I hope I don't go too far because if you know me, I like to color. So I'm not going to talk. I'm trying not to talk too much. I'm not sure what color I used. I think it was teal though, because that does give me a teal vibe, but I might use green this time because I think that might be good too. I think so. So I think this is the color that I used. I used teal, or yeah, I'm gonna go with green because it's close, and this is a sea green, so that is close. And I'm going to shade up, hopefully not too far, just below the $10,800 line. Whew. It's almost a similar color. It looks like the same color. Y'all see I'm trying to go too far? Did I go too far? I don't think so. That feels so good to add that extra color onto this chart. That feels so good. Wow. I believe that we are end the year with $11,000. We'll definitely end the year over $11,000. So let's move on to the next page. This is our 52-week challenge, okay, you guys? Now, for the 52-week challenge, we made a total deposit or transfers of $84, and we earned 30 cents interest because this is in a high yield savings account with Capital One 360. Let me move this out of the way. So I also purchased this savings goal tracker from Megan at Her Courage to Plan. So at the November 27th, 2021, $84. I'm going to put 30 cents. I'm just going to add the interest. This is very off the top because I've already run out of space. And we ended the month, if we add the last month's balance, $925.27 plus $84.30, we get to $1,009.57. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. And that includes the interest, but oh my goodness. Sloppy, but it's gonna work. All right. So I'm going to shade in. We saved $84. I'm not including the interest on this sheet. That's just how I like to do it. And we used the green last time, so I think this time I'll use orange because it's November, it's fall. And I'm already feeling the Christmas vibes though, honestly, because I mean, once Thanksgiving is over, just feel the Christmas holiday spirit. And I don't think I'm shading this in the way I did before. So let me just enjoy this moment. We have one more month to go, and then we are definitely gonna end the year strong. How about you guys? And I did say that I wasn't sure what I wanted to use the 52-week challenges for, or how I wanted to use the money in my last update video. But we're definitely going to put this money towards the emergency fund since that's our top goal. And I'm going to use a whole number, so I'll just take $1,000 from here, and the $113 that will be left over plus whatever interest is probably going into the account cushion, maybe, or maybe I'll invest it. That's a good idea. I want to vote from you if you're watching at this point. Should I invest the $113 from this savings, or should I put it in our account cushion? I probably know what y'all are going to say anyway, but I'm thinking invest it. So that's how we ended for the 52-week challenge. We have $1,009 in there. Yes. Now the zero out challenge is one of my favorites, and I've been keeping track of this in November. So we made a total of $19 worth of deposits or transfers from November 5th, November 19th, and November 26th. We transferred a total of $19, and there were 6 cents earned in interest. So our balance is $208.21 as of November 27th. So I'll be able to shade in what we did here because I've already filled out the tracker, and I did it again. I'm not going to put that in there. I'm just going to leave that out for now because I keep knocking this thing. Okay. Now I use a yellow mild liner. So let me grab my mild liner. And we are going to add what we totaled, which was $19. I didn't use the interest this time. So we finished our October savings challenges, the investing and the falling for fall savings challenge. In November, I just did the zero out, the 52-week, and our emergency fund. So altogether, between these 3 savings challenges, our emergency fund, 52-week, and the zero out challenge, we saved $966.30 with one more month to go. Y'all, I'm so excited. So we have over $200 saved in the zero out challenge, right? We have $1,009 saved so far in the 52-week challenge. That's amazing. That's let's see something quickly, because if our savings goal was estimated at $1,113 and we have $1,009 saved up, we just have $104 more to go. We're going to exceed that goal. We're going to exceed 1,113. So I think after we put $1,000 from the 52-week challenge savings into the emergency fund, whatever's left over probably will be invested. But I can't wait to see what you guys say in the comments. So that is it. That's how much we've saved. $966.30 in the month of November. That's how much we saved between these 3 challenges. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick and to the point. Have a great and wonderful day, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this. And remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now. Thanks so much for being here. Sev, count the pennies.
1, 2, 1, 3, 9, 4, 5.
Good, 5 pennies this week. So now what we're going to do is you're going to color in your worksheet, okay? So you're going to color in how many clouds? You counted? Good. Okay, so that means you're going to color in 5 clouds, right?
5 clouds?
Yes. See?
Yes.
These are clouds with the cent sign. So what color would you like?
I like red. No, yellow.
Yellow? Okay,
Yes.
let's take out the yellow. Oops, can you get the yellow?
Oh, yes, yellow. Oh, yes,
Can you get it?
No, it's too late.
Oops, I'm taking out all of them. All right, take it out.
No, mine.
Go ahead. Oops. All right, so you're going to color in 5, and we're going to start right here, okay?
Okay.
So let's color in the cloud. Yellow's a little light, but I'm sure you could do it. You think maybe we should use a darker color?
Yes.
Like maybe green?
No.
Orange?
Still black.
Black?
Yes.
A black cloud? Okay, here's a black one. Let's color this black. So let's color the 1.
1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So,
Okay, that's 1 cloud. Now you want to color it in all the way? 2.
I agree. 3. Okay, brother. 4. 5. 6. And 5.
Good job. Good job. Let's make our declarations now. And okay, you're going to say, I'm good with money.
Money.
Say, I'm good with money.
I'm good with money. Purple.
I save.
I save.
I don't waste.
I don't waste.
I'm a boss saver.
I'm a boss saver.
Saving money is fun.
Saving money is fun.
Good job. High five. Awesome. Thank you.